नमस्ते।
नमस्ते सर।
सर।
नमस्ते सर।
नमस्ते।
नमस्ते सर।
नमस्ते सर।
नमस्कार नमस्कार, कैसे हो आप सब?
अच्छे
ठीक है
अच्छे
सर। हम सब ठीक है सर।
Very good morning to all of you. Dr. Vinod Manikara, the President of Science India Forum, principals of Indian schools, teachers, science coordinators, parents, and my dear students. I'm delighted to be here among all of you, particularly the students who are participating in the science quiz today. All the best, children. I must commend Science India Forum for organizing this science quiz on the birth anniversary of one of our greatest scientists, Sir C.V. Raman. Uh, at the outset, let me also commend Science India Forum for consistently supporting the science education among students in Bahrain through various activities. I understand there is a Shastra Pratibha contest, Meet the Scientist, and Shastriyaan. These have been happening since the inception of SIF sometime in 2012. These variety of activities which involve science projects, competitions, quiz, etc., keep the scientific temperament alive. Well-organized educational trips to ACE R&D institutions in India serves as a good motivating factor to our young children to take up science as a vocation in future. For foreign students, including Bahraini students, it provides an opportunity for us to showcase the tremendous scientific and technological advances made by India. It is also heartening to know that the program has witnessed active participation of Bahraini students also. Indian education sector, including science, technology, innovation and research, made tremendous progress over the years. The new education policy of Government of India is geared for further developing this, as well as to promote educational exchange and cooperation. We have active cooperation with Kingdom of Bahrain in education sector and are committed to further strengthen it. Events such as this science quiz act as a catalyst in this process. Increasing participation from students over the years in various activities of SIF Bahrain exemplifies the success of organization in reaching its goal of nurturing the minds of the young towards science and innovation. I would like to congratulate the Science India Forum for its continued endeavors even in these difficult COVID times. Uh, I must say that organizing such events, which can very well be organized online, I mean, you have shown creativity, and I must congratulate you for this. It keeps the activity ongoing, which all of us in these times are trying to do. Even if we can't undertake so many physical things, but we must just do activities online. And at the end, I must convey my best wishes to all participating students. All the best, students. I think this is a good opportunity. Even as a student, we used to sometimes think of participating in such quiz competitions. In some of them, we got success. In some of them, uh, I mean, we left empty-handed. But let me tell you all students that from my personal experience, participation is the essence. I mean, of course, when you participate, you always participate with a view to winning a competition, but winning is not all. So I would suggest all of you to enjoy taking part in the contest, uh, being in a healthy and very friendly competition with all your friends with a good mood. As there is a famous proverb, I will just quote and end my speech there. It's not the will to win that makes you a winner, but the will to prepare to win which does. So I'm sure you all have prepared a lot. Now go give it your best, but remember, children, that the joy of participation is sometimes much more than even joy of winning. Being with your friends in a healthy competitive environment. So all the best again to all students. Thank you so much.